I am extremely proud of Ngāti Apa. I think it's another storybook for us. It's another part of our history. I think we've shown that we are a really progressive iwi. Kylie and his rangatahi group have also done us proud. You can almost imagine going back 200 plus years and imagining our ancestors doing something very similar. Extremely proud, as I say. Wonderful moment for all our iwi up in the top of the south, really.
So Ngāti Apa ki te rātou was asked on behalf of the 4 iwi to do the wero at Mere Toto. And so for the last 2 years we've been training the rangatai really hard at wānanga to ensure that they're at the level required to be able to perform such a ritual. And to see them roll it out in the manner that they did the other day, it was another indicator of the cultural capacity that we've been building over the last 5 years, and it's great to be able to see that they were able to do it in the mana and the integrity and the humility required.
Tuia, 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 Tōtaranui atu nei. Tuia, patapapahora kenei. Tuia, te aroha ki tanga kaua te tangata. Tuia ki runga, tuia ki raro. Uhi, waro. Mau mai ta Māori, hau mea, hui ai tāki e.
Today was another signal to me that we're on the right path in terms of the revitalisation of our language and our culture. When we came here, we went out onto the waka, onto Te Haiata, and to be accompanied by Ngāti Kui and Te Atiawa out on the waterways, that hasn't happened for some years. And you know, paddling out to meet the Tahitian waka in particular, and then starting to hear that drum, and just thinking about that connection between their tupuna, Tupaia, and our people that were here when he came. You know, it actually got quite emotional, to tell you the truth. You would have seen that they were wearing the tīpare kawakawa, the headband. There's a lot of kōrero there about that. And then in today's context, it's around, we were bringing on mate. This was a kawe mate, this was bringing Tupaia's mate on, and all of our tupuna here to Mere Toto. And so when they laid the koha to Māori, again, I got really emotional. You know, simple things like stones, but they connect to us so much in terms of our cultural identity. So yeah, been a huge day. We've got another big day tomorrow with out there at the Civic Welcome, where our waka Flotilla will again go out to meet the bigger boats and then bring them into Picton foreshore. But neira te ngā kauiti e mihi ana kia tātou katoa. Tia Māori.
Today was an amazing experience on our new waka Te Haiata with our other waka from Kurahopo and Te Atiawa.
We've had quite a few waka wānanga, late night trainings, practicing for the wero and everything.
So it was kind of scary seeing the endeavour, and we could like have a vision of what our tupuna seen.
So today was just around about bringing the flotilla into the foreshore here. You know, it's such a beautiful spot, and to provide an opportunity for the wider public to see this spectacular kaupapa unfold, and again to see the Tahitian and the waka Māori come in with the endeavour as well, and then to be able to come in and to showcase, I guess, the home waka here to our wider community.
My favourite saying, Apa awesomeness.
Yeah, it's pretty special. Again, another notch in our history of the future. Just wonderful.